Rise and shine. It's a beautiful day and another day of raising Ryan. It is Thursday. It is 6 a.m. guys. I've been on the train since 3 a.m. I only had like a good 9 hours with my friend, with Alexis, so it's been quite a journey, but totally worth it. So I've not been able to vlog much because I'm tired. So let's continue. Yeah, that's the way toddler life works. So I just got home. It was a long day. It's only noon, but I've been on that train since 3 a.m. and you hop different trains, so it's exhausting. And then I got to Fullerton, which is like 30 minutes away from where my mom lives. And I had to wait till for 3 hours, and then it was gonna take me 2 hours to get here. I'm like, Mom, it takes 30 minutes to pick me up. I'm over this. So she did, and I'm here within 30 minutes. I missed you too, buddy. I missed my baby. You missed everyone too? Say hi. You're so cute. Alright guys, we took a nice long nap. The train ride the train ride kicked my butt, guys. 15 hours of it is not okay. So anyways, we decided to go to downtown Disney and watch some fireworks and hang out. Matt and I used to come out here just because we had Disney passes, so it's fun to bring Ryan out here. Ryan's been to Disneyland, but we're not going to Disneyland, just downtown Disney. This is a store where I used to, well, Matt and I would do so much damage financially. So I've not been here in a while, so we're gonna go and check that out. Oh, walk a dog. Buddy, he wants the Tinkerbell wand. Yeah, the doggy. Auntie's walking the doggy. Matt and I love specifically this spot right here. And the reason for that, it's because they have amazing art. Our goal is to have our house filled with nothing but all this amazing art. Oh, that one's so cute. I want that for Ryan's room. Wow. Of course we're gonna get him a little baseball. We're gonna get this one. We love this one because this one's like more old school. How cute is this one? We are definitely taking this one. Probably the best thing I've ever bought him. How cute! Yay, buddy! He loves bubbles. What's going on, buddy? Whoa! Whoa! So cool! Whoa! Oh, okay, yeah. Cute picture. That used to be Tower Terror. I don't know if many of you guys know about Disneyland. And it now switched up to Garden of the Galaxy, and it looks super cool. Oh my god, so awesome. There's a train station, guys. Next time we'll go in. It's just crazy. Matt and I used to probably come to Disneyland for like 4 nights a week. We're always here.